Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a eyebrow tutorial because I've been getting a lot of compliments on my eyebrows and it has taken me a lot of trial and error to not perfect, but get my brows how I really like them, and I do like them right now. So I thought I would share how I do them because I've been getting a lot of questions on them. So here's a little tutorial video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new from this video. And just to state that I am not an expert, obviously I'm only 19 and I've done my makeup for probably like 4 years now, and this is just what I've learned throughout those 4 years, and this is what helps me, and this is what I like doing. And if you don't want to do your brows like how I do my brows, then that's totally fine. Like, I don't care, you do you. But I'm gonna do me, and this is how I do my brows. And yeah, I thought I would share to help anyone out there who doesn't know how to do their brows or is just starting out makeup. And yeah, so here's a little eyebrow video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and let's get into it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. They will be linked down below just to keep up with me in my life. So basically once a month I shave my face, and I use the Ardell Pro Brow Trim and Shape little shavers, and I use this for my entire face. And then I also get around my eyebrows. Obviously I don't go all the way down, but I get as close as I possibly can without scraping off my actual eyebrow. And then I get tweezers, and then I clean them up, and then yeah, so I do that like probably like once to twice like a month. So I put on my eyebrows like first thing. This is like my first step, and I know that sounds crazy to a lot of you guys because I feel like everyone has a different way of doing their makeup routine, and there's no right and there's no wrong way. But I don't know why people hate on people who do their eyebrows first. Like, honestly, I've always done that first, and it works for me, so who cares, like whatever. But I start off with a fresh face, and I don't have any moisturizer on yet. I put my moisturizer on after I do my brows, and I just get around my brows just because I don't like the feeling of doing my brows and feeling the moisturizer in my brows. It's just really gross. But yeah, okay, so I take this little brush. It's tapered on the end, and then it has a spoolie, and I don't know, it doesn't say like what it is, but I'm pretty sure this is the Anastasia brush. Ooh. And then this is my Morphe M410 brush. This is what I use to carve out my brows. And then I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Soft Brown. This has been my ride or die since the beginning of time. This is the very first product that I've ever used, and I'm still using it. So obviously I think that's a big key factor in it too, is I didn't switch throughout products. So this is the very first product that I've ever used. So I kind of like, as I've used it, I've learned how to use it. So I think that's like really helpful. And then to carve out my brows, I use this like concealer that I bought like recently, but then I bought a new one, so then I don't want this one to go to waste, so I'm just gonna use it for my eyebrows. So that's what I do. Okay, so literally, let's take a look at these brows. They don't need plucking right now. I feel like the hair coming through, there's a car passing by. I feel like the hair coming through isn't all the way out yet, so I don't want to damage my skin, so I'm just gonna leave it. So then I take some on my brush, barely like any. Let's get closer. Okay, and then I start off with the bottom one first. So I brush upward. So you kind of just outline the bottom of the eyebrow, and then I don't like mine if I like get messy because I can always clean it up, so it's totally fine. And then I bring my brush like upwards, and I brush through kind of like from the bottom to throughout the brow, just to fill it in like a tiny bit, but I'm not filling it in completely. I'm just kind of shading it in. But basically right now I'm just outlining the bottom portion of my eyebrow. Like I said, if you mess up, that's totally fine. Get a Q-tip, wipe it off, or just save it until the concealer part. So I'm fine with how that looks. I like to stop it literally right there. Like I don't want to go any further down. I learned my lesson with that. So just keep it nice and short and simple, and then I brush my hairs downwards. And I'm the only person that touches my brows. I don't go and get them done. I pluck them, I shave them, I don't wax them, but I do everything by myself. So I don't know, I have really bad trust issues with my eyebrows, so just me. So now I'm going to do the same thing, outlining the top though, instead of the bottom. And then I'm going to bring it down instead of upwards with the bottom one. So from the top, outlining it, and then bringing it down. Okay, so that does look a little messy, but that's totally okay. Because then we're gonna go in with the Morphe brush and the concealer and clean it up. And I don't talk really when I do my brows just because I take this part so seriously. Like, my brows are everything to my makeup routine. So I concentrate and I make sure to give myself enough time. This sounds crazy, but sometimes it takes me like 30 minutes to do my brows. And it's just because I'm like a perfectionist when it comes to my brows. So, but I'm okay with it. So it's like, if I'm okay with it, then it's fine because I don't mind taking the extra time to do my brows. So yeah, just concentrate, don't rush it, and just focus. So yeah, now I'm gonna carve out the brows. So you can see concealer around my brow. I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and I get it moist. Yeah, I don't mind it because it's my saliva, my face, whatever. And then I just go back in and then I wipe it away. But not getting my eyebrow part, just the concealer. And if I'm not happy with anything, then I just go back with my pomade or my concealer and I make it how I want it. And then after I outline it, because it's basically just an outline, like I'm not gonna leave it like that. I keep looking in the viewfinder. Ugh. But yeah, so this is like basically the rough draft. Like I'm not done. And the reason behind me doing my eyebrows first is because, like I said, it's a rough draft, and because I use my concealer to clean it up, and I would hate to have a concealer on top of my foundation around my eyebrows. That is my biggest pet peeve. So I can't, and I don't mind getting like foundation or like powder in my eyebrows because I go back in after I do my face routine and then I fill them in, like make them so then they look like brand new, you know what I mean? So that's what I do and it works for me. So if you want to start doing it, then it's up to you, but I'm not an expert. Like, this is just what I found helpful towards me, and I get a lot of compliments on them. So yeah, so this eyebrow is done, and then look at the little comparison. There's not a huge, actually yeah, there kind of is a big difference, but yeah, so just starting out with a nice shape, keeping them nice and plucked and shaved. You don't have to shave, but I mean, it's totally up to you, but that's what I like doing. And starting off with a good starting point is like really like important when it comes to your brows, Unless you know how to like just do them like without a good starting point, then props to you. But yeah, so basically I'm done with this brow. I'm gonna do this brow off camera and then I'll show you guys the finished product. And then yeah, so they're all complete and I think they came out pretty good. So after I do my brows, then I move on to my full face makeup routine and I do my foundation, concealer, powder, whatnot. But yes, I do my eyebrows first in my routine and it just works for me, so I'm gonna keep doing that. And the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade is my holy grail. Like, I don't think I'll ever use anything else because I'm so used to using it and I've perfected it, so that's what I'm gonna keep using. And I really hope you guys enjoyed, and honestly I just wanted to film this video for a very long time now because I've been getting so many questions and a lot of people comment on my eyebrows and how I do them and what I use, and even in person this lady told me that they look like twins, not just sisters, and I was like, oh my god, like that's so nice, like thank you, like so I'm not doing this video because I think my eyebrows are perfect and I think that they are the best eyebrows ever. So I like how my brows are, so I just want to help anyone out there who is just starting their makeup, like starting to get into it. They don't know how to do their brows, so hopefully this is a very helpful video for you. Yeah, again, I'm not an expert on makeup. I have just been doing it for a long time, like, so I learned some things throughout the process of doing my makeup for a very long time. So why not share it? I'm not just gonna keep them to myself. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys took something out of it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and let me know if this like helped you out at all, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It really does mean a lot, and don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. That again does mean a lot to me. And yeah, let me know what you think. I'll have all the products that I used linked down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!